Welcome back to Tammy in the kitchen. Today I'll be making you guys smoked ribs. The ingredients you will need is pork shoulder ribs, your favorite rub, and your barbecue sauce. First up, you take your rub. And you're going to want to rub it on all over those ribs. Nice and coated. Then you're going to want to flip it on over and do the same thing. Hands. All right, let's take it on out to my smoker. Come this way. Middle rack. And I'm gonna let that cook with just the rub on it for about 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back with the barbecue sauce. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes that I've been smoking my ribs. And just to let you guys know, this is an electric smoker, so I'll be cooking these ones for about 5 to 6 hours. And the tip on this, I have it at a low, like a medium low in between, so it's like a 250 degree. All right, now it's time to open it up, and you gotta be careful because of that hot smoke. There we go. Now basically, I'm going to take your barbecue sauce or your secret sauce, whichever one you prefer, and you're gonna rub them evenly coated. And this is so they don't get dried out. You want to take a look at the ribs? Looking good. Close that back up, and I'm going to come out here about every hour and flip and dip. It's been about an hour. Now it's time to flip. Ooh, that's hot. I am also going to flip or change racks. So I'm going to move the top one to the bottom. And flip it around. Once it flips, now it's time to dip. Take your barbecue sauce and rub it all around. back in another hour.
Another hour. It's time to flip and dip. Woo, is that hot?
All the way, so you guys can see. Take that out, and we're gonna flip it around. Ooh, that's juice. It's heavy. Flip it around. Spread your sauce. All right, so basically for the next couple hours, I think I have 3 more hours left, I'm gonna be repeatedly flipping and dipping and rotating racks. So I'll be back when it's all done. Okay, it's been about 5.5 hours. The ribs are done. Time to take them out. There they are. Nice and beautiful. If you like the way I make my smoked ribs, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.